This is one question from the chapter polynomial. The question says that if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, we have to find the value of alpha square plus beta square. Now, what do we know that we know sum of the zeros, right? We know that sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta, sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta, is what? It is negative coefficient of x over coefficient of x square, that is minus b over a. And we also know that the product of the zeros, that is alpha into alpha beta, is equal to, this is c over a. So it's c is c over here, so it's c over a. Now we have to get the value of alpha square plus beta square. So what do we know? That this is based on an identity, that is a plus b whole square. So let's say if I apply this identity, it's based on the identity a plus b whole square. So if I do so, it's a plus b, that is alpha plus beta whole square, is equal to, this is alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. Now, as you can see that we have to get the value of this. So we will be placing this, that means alpha plus beta will be replaced by minus b by a, and alpha beta replaced by c by a should give you the value of alpha square plus beta square. So what is alpha plus beta? As you can see, it is minus b over a. So if I substitute here minus b over a whole square is equal to, we have to get the value of alpha square plus beta square. So we'll be keeping it as it is, plus 2 times alpha beta, and as I can see, alpha beta is c by a. Now what we can do here, that we'll find the square of this. Negative b square is b square over a square. If I transpose these to the left, I'll get minus 2c over a, which is equal to alpha square plus beta square. I can see that we need a here, so we'll be multiplying with a and dividing by a. So we can write this as a by a, should give you the same LCM. Now what we'll get here, we'll get this as b square over a square minus 2ac over a square is equal to, the what we have to get is alpha square plus beta square. So in the final step, we'll say that on simplifying this, what we are getting, b square minus a square, b square minus 2ac over a square. And that is the value of alpha square plus beta square, which we have to get in this question.